The students come here, experience science, and really understand and learn it, by doing it. They also work on teachers' learning programs where they kind of train the teachers, and I think that's also a commendable program which they work on. The way the organization really, changes the way the studies are expected to be learned by doing. I think that's their mantra, and they thoroughly live by it.